To enter data into each one of these cells is very simple. What you can do is you can either, let's just click up here, let's start at B2. We can just add in a number, so I'm going to add a number 3 and just press return, and it drops down to the next row below. So I could type in 4 and then I could type in 5, etc, etc. And the same way I can go across like this as well, so I could do 4, 5, and to enter this way I'm using the right arrow key rather than the return to make sure I go across to the next column. That can be a bit tedious. You can also enter data up here, so that's just for accuracy's sake, let's put 6 in there, so you can either use the function bar or you can add directly into the cells. But there's lots of ways that we can automate things. So I'm just going to delete that. So I've selected and highlighted all of those cells, but you'll notice over here that the cell address is now changed. We've got B2:E4, and that means we've selected that range from the top left-hand corner, B2, to the bottom right-hand corner, E4. And we can use that later on when we're using some formulas. But let's look at autofill. Sheets recognizes patterns. So if I type in here Monday, and enter and click the cell again, if I select on the bottom right hand corner here, they get that blue dot, and grab that and just drag down to 18, you'll recognize it's auto filled. So it recognizes certain data and it will auto fill the pattern for you. So I've got all of those dates, saves a lot of time. Let's do that for a month, and let's do it across the columns. Works well like that. Let's do it again with an abbreviation. Let's do Jan, and it should do the 3-letter equivalents. There we go, autofill. So autofill is a really good feature to get used to.